Raphael, the prince of painters, returns with a grace that has endured for 500 years. A historic reunion of 170 works has arrived in the heart of New York.
So our audiences have been waiting for this for decades, maybe even for centuries, given how important and celebrated Raphael has been.
To stand before these works is to wonder how a mortal hand could ever command such celestial grace.
You have to know anatomy. When artists will really need to sit down and draw after the human figure for years, day in and day out. To just see, the one moment of perfection.
Raphael matched his ambition with a deep poetic lyricism. He showed us that while talent may be a gift, beauty is a temple built stone by stone.
Raphael is a great master of beauty, of poetry, and I think you can see with Raphael an eternal way of understanding human relationships, the human condition, the longing of humans to a further ground.
In a world of unrest, he offers a radical refusal of chaos, a sanctuary of harmony, and a long-awaited return to beauty.
Painting is a mute poetry, and poetry is a blind painting. In his paintings, Raphael sought to illuminate the very soul of his subjects beyond their external appearance.
He reminds us that beauty sustains us, that craft dignifies us, and that our shared humanity is the ultimate masterpiece.